This is what it looks like traveling on the way to the beach of pigs. Yes, you've heard it right. Nagpunta kami sa isla kung saan maraming baboy. Masasabi kong applicable dito yung difficult roads often lead you to beautiful destinations. Grabe ang daan dito, guys. Kung nakikita niyo lang.
Let's go to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Are you going to go there?
yes. Is it nice? Yes.
What?
Is it nice?
We haven't go there yet. We're about to go.
Nice. Oh,
Habang pinapanood ko to, tawang-tawa ko sa English ko. Naisip ko, alam ko naman yung sasabihin ko. Nakakabarok pag pagod ka kinausap, guys. Pero yun na nga, tignan nyo na lang yung motor nila ate, paano nag-suffer dito. Siguro yung mga pangmalakasang sasakyan like 4x4, basic na basic lang sa kanila dito.
pero ay, ibig sabihin na sila talaga yung ano?
Sabi ko, yeah. Is it good there? Sabi ko, we're not going there yet. There are a lot of foreigners here. It's going in the coconut. Sakit naman sa internet to.
Makiramin niyo daw. Totoo, dito talaga oh. Yung kanina.
Sobrang tarik, guys. Hi! Kaya natin yung bear!
Promise ba? Ay, gusto niyo hiramin ko pang silong? Ayun si Kenneth gusto sa'yo. Gusto niyo ng ano, saging? Dahil ang saging pang silong. Gusto niyo hiramin pang silong? Bakit? May payong ako eh. Pwede ang pam? Uy, the ang pam. The ang pam. All good in the woods. Sabi ko na nga, don't trust the locals eh. Hilain niyo lang ako mamaya. Oh. I wanna go.
Is it a foreigner? Let's ask them. Hey, did you go to the coconut beach?
Hello?
To the coconut beach?
Yes.
Is it good there?
It's very
Is it-
good, yeah.
Is it, is it for,
Walking 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
okay.
From here, 10-15 minutes.
Is there a pig there?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
I guess we need to.
Okay. Are you tired? Let me see the tired face. It's the beautiful face. It's not the tired face. Nagpadagdag talaga sila ng altuwel.